Hey there, Mythbusters and lore lovers. Ever wondered why Granny's tales of fire-breathing dragons or sassy gods who love turning people into trees? We're looking at you, Apollo. Stick with us. Let's dive deep into the magical world of myths and figure out why they're more addictive than the latest reality TV drama. Universal life hacks. Myths are humanity's OG self-help books. Facing a dilemma? Check out how Achilles would handle it. Just maybe avoid that heel issue. Cosmic gossip magazines. Let's be honest, gods and goddesses with their divine drama, jealousies, and mischief are just like reading about celebrities. Did Zeus just turn into another animal? Oh, the drama. Emotions GPS. Ever feel emotions that you can't quite explain? Myths have been mapping human emotions for eons. They're like ancient therapists, helping us navigate the tangled web of human feelings. Cultural handshakes. Myths bridge cultures, making us realize that at the end of the day, everyone loves a good story. Whether it's Thor swinging his hammer or Hanuman leaping oceans, there's a sense of unity in these tales. Explaining the unexplainable. Before science filled in the gaps, myths were our Google. Thunder? That's Thor's bowling night. Eclipse? Someone's just taking a bite out of the sun. So, next time you're snuggled up with a good old myth, remember you're partaking in humanity's favorite pastime, weaving stories that transcend time. Myths might not be literal truths, but they're the soul food of societies. Keep munching on those delicious tales.